Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holder? Shiba Inu, in this video, I have very shock news now for all of you, but definitely it's very important for all of you, so you will need to must watch and understand better now. My brother Shiba Inu minus 14.06%, the price is decreased now, and there is a few reasons, my friend. The first reason, my friend, absolutely everybody, my friend, know this. To when a short time investor starting selling, so the coin were fails down. So definitely in those days, my friend, all currencies were moving upward, but again urgently, my friend, the coins were fails down, and Shiba Inu also fails down. So therefore, my friend, I think it's a very bad news for all of you now to the coin were fails down. But don't panic, my friend. I hope in upcoming days, my friend, there is 100% chance so Shiba Inu will collaborate a lot of companies, so therefore there is a chance so the price will increasing now. But hope, my brother, absolutely after a short fails, every coin, my friend, there is a chance so they will take up and they will wake up. But definitely, I know to upcoming time this coin is also moving upward now. So what you will need, my friends, to get a profit, absolutely, my friend, you will need to hold for a long time. And if you just only hold for a long time, so I will give you guarantee to you will get a very good profit now. Thanks for watching holder. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please also press the bell icon for videos notification. And yes, my brother, especially when short-term investor holder starting selling, this does not mean to you long-term investor. It's also starting selling and be safe from the loss. Kindly don't starting selling. Absolutely every coin will get a profit, but definitely not like that. So kindly holder, do this what we will say now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.